Come on in. I am going to Hilton Head for just 3 days. It's for a bachelorette party, but the bride doesn't know what we're going to do, so I'm going to have to overpack a little bit. This is Squirrel. So the way that I pack is I like to make a list first. So I'll say like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I write the activity that we're doing and the weather. And then that helps me like write down like what I want to bring. Like I'll say like black pants and like sneakers and a t-shirt for Friday, but then if we're going out, maybe I need to bring a dress as well. I'm going to bring 3 swimsuits for 3 different days. So I have my 3 faves. This one is from Lively. I just love the little like scoop back, is so cute. This one is from a brand called Somersault, and it is legit the most comfortable swimsuit I've ever worn. Looks like a plain black suit, but it's just like, I don't know, it's just so comfortable. It's got a deep V, so it's like, you know, a little sexy. My red moment. Again, cool back details. This one's from ASOS. This is the workout dress from Outdoor Voices, and I love it because it's really cute, and I love the color red, but also because it has these little shorties underneath. That's my favorite thing, is renting the runway before I go on vacation, so I have like nice new things to wear for all the photos. Because I am bringing all of those dresses, I'm also definitely bringing these shorts from NYX. They're just like anti-chafing shorts. They don't really have any shaping, which I really like about them. So I've just been taught how to pack my jeans. So I folded them in half, crotch in, and then I'm gonna fold them in half again. I'm going to start rolling at the waist. I'll fold that in so it's out of the way, and then roll her up, and put her right in there. Look at that, so nice, so organized. Use the same like fold in method. This is a bulky dress. Wow. Fenty and Lively make the 2 most comfortable underwear, so I always bring a lot of all of that when I travel. What are you doing? Let's see. How do we? Yeah. I like to take a blush like highlighter palette. So this one I've been using a lot. This Pretty NARS one from the holidays. So this is where I keep all of my lipsticks, and I also have my CBN oil from Robin for Sleep by Mineral, which is my favorite CBN oil. That helps me sleep, so I like to take that on vacations too. So this is my little travel pouch that I keep full of my travel stuff all the time, even when I'm not traveling, and then I go through it and decide what I want to take on each trip. So obviously cleansing wipes. This from Iope, it's a K-beauty brand, is really good for both morning and night. I bring a stick cleanser so I don't have to worry about bringing face wash, and it doesn't count towards my liquids, very important. I have to bring so much moisturizer on the plane, so this Weleda, a classic skin food. Glossier's MangoBalm.com is my fave. I have a lot of stomach issues, so I always have to bring a ton of fiber with me. So I have these little to-go packs, and I take 2 per day that I'm gonna be there. This Summer Fridays, the travel version of the Jetlag Mask, is like amazing to put on. Like towards the end of the flight, I'll go splash my face with some water and then just put this on, so I'm totally moisturized to get off the plane. Along with my stomach issues, I also have very bad circulation, so I have to wear compression socks even if the flight's only like an hour. But Comrade makes like really like cute compression socks, so that's my favorite brand. Cara vitamins and my Benefiber fiber, so I just have easy access to them. Did I do okay? You liked it? It's like a family. Come on, Otis, let's go. Well, this was super fun. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I packed, but unfortunately I have a lot of other things to do before I leave, so I'm gonna kick you out. Thank you so much for watching.